In this video, I'm going to show you what to do if your Apple Pay payment stuck processing. First, wait a few minutes and check your transaction history in the wallet app and your bank app to see if the payment was completed or reversed, because some Apple Pay transactions take a short time to update. If it's still stuck, make sure you have a stable internet connection, then restart your iPhone or Apple Watch to refresh the system. Next, open the wallet app, select the card you use, and check for any alerts or verification requests from your bank, since some payment require additional approval. If the payment continues to process, contact your bank or card issuer to confirm whether the transaction is pending, declined, or completed on their end. You can also remove the card from the Apple Pay and add it back again to refresh the connection. So that's it.